Welcome back. Today, Chris tries Dairy Queen's caramel fudge cheesecake. Who doesn't like a blizzard? I was going to do the but I'm afraid it's going to spill, so you never know. It's a little warmer here, although it's frigid. Here we go. Oh, who doesn't like some cheesecake? Cheesecake's a great thing. This is right off the bat. Get the caramel, and that's like a piece of cheesecake in there. I can just cut one up. I would go absolutely. Find it, buy it, try it.